Hello, now I'd like to show you on how to install the Prism Live Studio application on your PC. So once you download the installer here, double click on it to open it. You should see this message. Click yes to proceed. Okay, you should see this message. Click install to proceed. So install the software to your PC. So now you're finished. Now click start. Now click OK. It'll take some time to finish. So now you have finished installing the Prism Live Studio. So you need to sign up with an account later. This is the end of the video.